is July. So change July to your favorite month. Okay? Okay? Alright. Francesca and Silvana.
Silvana, what's your favorite month?
My favorite month is September.
Okay, Silvana, ask Francesca.
Francisca, what's your favorite?
Favorite.
What's your favorite month?
My favorite month is December.
December. Monica and Yesenia?
Monica.
Okay.
You.
Okay. What's your favorite month?
My favorite month is July.
Okay. Ask Monica.
Monica, what is your favorite month?
Favorite.
My favorite month is December.
Okay, Giuliani and Paula?
What's your favorite month?
My favorite month is October. Julani, what's your favorite month?
My favorite month is February.
Okay, Juan and Janet?
One moment. Okay.
What's your favorite month?
Janet, what is your favorite month?
My favorite month is June.
All right. Okay, ask Juan.
Juan, what's your favorite month?
My favorite month is July.
All right. Okay, now you have here. Okay. Okay, this is read the notice and answer the question. All right. Okay.
Riverbend Adult Learning Center. School calendar. Important dates. September 6th, first day of school. November 24th to the 27th, Thanksgiving holiday. December 24th to January 3rd, break. April 5th to the 21st, break. June 8th, last day of school.
Okay, read. Janet.
School
Riverbend Adult Learning Center. Riverbend.
When the question?
Now read.
Read the question?
No, read the dates. Read
Okay.
Riverbend Adult Learning Center school calendar.
Okay. School calendar, September 6th.
You have there Riverbend Adult Learning Center school calendar important dates. Okay.
Okay.
Read them.
Riverbend Adult Learner Center. School calendar, important dates, September 16th.
6 only.
September 6th, first day of the school. November 24th to 27th, Thanksgiving holiday. December 24th to January 3rd, break. April 5th to 21st, break. June 8th, last day of school.
Okay, Julani. School calendar important days. When is the first day of your school? It's October?
No.
October 31st, right?
Yes.
That is your first day of school, October 31st.
Yes.
And the Thanksgiving holiday, you still remember that? So what you will do is look at your calendar. See here? Okay, so you can answer it. Okay, so you look for your calendar. Okay, and try to what? See here? You have in here. Okay, So, first day of school is October 31st. That is your first day of school, October 31st. Okay? Now, November, okay? November, when is your Thanksgiving Day? So, November 24 here, November 24 the same. November 24 to 27, Thanksgiving holiday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same. Okay? And your break this December is only when? Your December break is December 24 up to 26, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
that
full
is,
no break.
and January what? The January is January 1st. So this and January 2. See, January 2. Because
Repeat this. Repeat, please.
you have your calendar. You have to answer it, okay?
Sí, pero holiday.
Your holiday in November is just the same. Okay? Your first day of
Yes.
school is October 31st. October 31st, first day of school. November 24th to 27th, Thanksgiving holiday. And then you look at your what? At your December calendar. Okay, your December what? Your December break is only December 24 is what? Is December 24 is Sunday, is Saturday, and Sunday is your Christmas, and 26. So only 24, 25,
24
and
to
26.
26, yes.
And 30, January 31st up to January 2. And January what? And January 2, up to January 2. Okay, so you look at your calendar. And when is your last day of school? Your last day of school is February. When is your last day of school? Do you know your last day of school?
February.
February?
24? No?
Your last day of school is, let me see.
I think January 24.
Your last day of school is February 24, 2023. So your what? Your class will end on February 24, 2023. That is the last day of school, February 24 and 20, February 24, 2023. And between that, you'll have your test. You'll take your test, okay? Between that period, you'll take your test, all right? So be sure that you answer this, okay? You put it. What is the name of our school?
Workforce
Okay,
Advance.
Workforce Advantage. Okay, so the title will be. Okay, so your title will be Workforce Advantage. So this will become. So this is your school calendar. This you will change it to what? This you will change it to. This become October 31st. Okay, that is your what? That is it. Okay, so that is the first day of school. The Thanksgiving holiday is the same. So this will become December what? Okay, so you look at your calendar. All 6. When you look at your calendar, so you can answer the question. Okay? Alright, so here, you can answer that 24, it becomes 24, the same day, 24 to January 2, instead of what? Instead of January 24 and January 2, not 3. Okay, you don't have any April break, because your what? Your class will end on February what? February 24, 2023. Okay, this is the end of your, okay. So this is the last day of school. Okay, so you don't have this. You don't have April break because you're what? Your class, your last day of school is February 24. All right. Here, between January to February 24, you will what? You'll take your test. All right. Okay. So I'll clear this. Okay. So you read and you write, okay? So this is your what? This is your calendar, okay? Now here, drag the months to the correct what? Drag the months to the correct order, okay? I will give the what? The remote. Let me see. Okay. All right. Francesca, drag the months to the correct order. Okay, this is yours, okay? All right, so those are the answers. Okay, so you need to write the correct spelling of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Today, birthday. Okay, complete the sentence. Today is, okay, that is your birthday, huh? You'll write an invitation. Today, the date today is, my birthday is on. My favorite holiday is, it's on. Okay, so you are the only one who can answer this. Complete the sentence. Today is December 27th.
27th.
My birthday is on. You write your birthday. My favorite holiday is, oh, what is your favorite? Is Christmas. It's on December 25th. Okay? Whatever is your favorite day. Alright? So you answer that. That is today. Birthday. What about your birthday? Okay, you will write an invitation. Today is, okay, alright. It's about your birthday. It's not about, alright. Okay, let me see. Tic-tac-toe will be your, my favorite month.
My favorite month. I'm Ellen. My favorite month is May. My birthday is in May.
Okay, so probably your favorite
My daughter's
your
birthday
favorite month
is in May
your
too.
birthday.
I also like December
Mhm.
because that's when we have a school break.
Mhm. Yeah, all right. So it's up to you what you are going to write. Okay, words that I know: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Birthday, break, calendar, holiday, month, Thanksgiving. If you have other holidays in mind, add it on. Okay. What is your favorite month? What is your favorite month, Monica?
My favorite month is January.
Okay. Why? Why January?
My birthday is in January.
All right. So my favorite month, and so you'll say, I'm Monica. My favorite month is January. My birthday is in January. What about your what? What about the other months? You can say other months too. Why is it your favorite? Aside from what? Okay. Aside from your birthday month, which is January, you can January you can add on also that is also your favorite month because that is your what? That is New Year's Day.